Good morning everyone, it's just a quick video on the use of the GJ Lock Securefast decoder. It's what locksmiths would use amongst picks in order to decode a Mortice lock. The Securefast that's in the device is actually a newer British standard 5-lever Mortice deadlock. Jim has actually decoded this a couple of times, but I did change the levers around and he has done it again. He's just going to show how he actually uses this decoder.
Hi everyone, this is the chart for reading the levers. As you can see, it's a black British standard rounded bolt. You take readings from the rear of the levers, and if you have a number 5, the reader bounces under lever spring pressure. There is a lever 5 in this, but let's just have a quick look and see how we get through it. So what I suggest is, when you first get this, just have a little play about, see if you can identify the 5 levers as you go through it, and then start at the back and come back. So as you can see, I'm hitting the back wall, so I'll come off it slightly, and that's a number 5 because it's bouncing.
Yeah, can you hear it springing though?
It's giving you feedback on it. So what I do is I have a piece of paper ready, and I'll write 5 on the piece of paper, and then I'll come back a notch, and that, no spring on it, but it's reading as a number 1. So I will put 5, 1, and then again come back a notch, and that's indicating a number 2. So we've got 5, 1, 2. Again, come back another one, and that's indicating a 3. So we've got 5, 1, 2, 3, and then the last one, you can feel you back up against this wall, and that's reading as a 2 as well. So if I put a 2 down there, and then just to check them, I'm going to run through from the front. So that's a 2, 3, 2, all the way up for a 1, the very back one, bouncy bouncy, 5. So to save a bit of time on the video, I've made the key up. So you have your bolts, you have 5, 1, 2, 3, 2. Tighten that up, and hopefully everybody, this will work. Bingo.
Lovely. Would you say this is a fairly easy one to take readings from, Jim?
It's one of the easiest ones because you're not messing about with plasticine or anything like that, and it's a dead straightforward chart. And all it is a little bit of practice to get yourself used to where the levers are. The most common thing is you get lost in the lock, but you know you can go to the furthest to the back and get number 5, which is that number 5, and you can come right to the front and get the number 2. And then basically you're trying to work out what's in the middle of them. So if you ever get lost in it, you can always come back and start again and work your way through it. So yeah, it's quite easy to use. So
would you suggest having a look at the readings of the levers before you start using this decoder?
No, I would have a go at it blind to begin with, and then if you're not having much luck with it, then read the levers and work out why.
Okay, thanks, Jim.